Welcome to the transformative world of blended e-learning, where the power of social and collaborative learning is reshaping education. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, educators face the challenge of keeping learners engaged and motivated. But there's a solution that is both simple and effective: collaborative learning strategies. Imagine a learning environment where ideas are freely exchanged, where students actively participate and share knowledge through discussion boards and peer reviews. This isn't just a dream, it's the reality of social learning tools that significantly boost engagement and retention rates. Research has shown that platforms like WhatsApp and Skype facilitate active knowledge sharing, allowing learners to construct new ideas collaboratively. This not only enriches their educational experience, but also develops critical thinking and problem-solving skills essential for real-world scenarios. Blended learning environments offer adaptability, combining in-person interactions with online components to meet diverse learner needs. At the heart of this approach is community building. Collaborative learning fosters connections among peers, enhancing overall satisfaction and creating a sense of belonging. As educators and trainers, it's time to embrace these methodologies. By integrating discussion-based tools, peer reviews, and team projects into your programs, you can prepare learners to tackle professional challenges while cultivating a culture of continuous learning. Start leveraging the power of collaborative e-learning today. Let's drive success together in your educational or training programs, creating dynamic environments where collective knowledge thrives.